Whakawhalaia tu hane hatotolo do valatala tutupu ke lata mo I pulipone. Good evening, and these are our top stories for tonight. Ko ale whakamole e leo taongo New Zealand ke lifu palemia Sir Toke Tālangi. Radio New Zealand apologizes to Premier Sir Toke Tālangi. Ko I toto wanga he puke tangata ke motu he tau ua whi hongpuma ua, he tau ua whi hongpuma ono. Population reading 2012 to 2016. Hoko mai e ki whangamui Meet the Whakas ke he motu. The play written and produced by Niueans Meet the Whakas are on island. Tō manatu monuina kirisi masi mai motu mai he palemia. Christmas greetings from Premier Sir Toke Tālangi. Kua ole whakamale e leo taongo New Zealand ke lilifu palemia Sir Toke Tālangi. Hakoi walatala ne kua tohi e lo tolu hangau ke tau kumkumianga he whakatuwhono ha New Zealand ke he matua palemia mai kotaha state-owned enterprises. Kua whakapuloa e walatala nei ke he kupanga hila RNZ aho uafuluma fitu he mahina ha Novema he tau nei uawhi hongfuluma walu. Kua tau se tau kumikumianga he leo taongo New Zealand moi kua whakamooli he whakatuwhono New Zealand na kai whai kumikumianga lo tolu ka tau se ke le lifu palemia Sir Toke Tālangi moi kotaha state-owned enterprises he motu. Kua whakailoa I whoki, pe he kua nā kai hako moi mōli e tau talawanga he eke pule motu ki he whakatuwhono. Kua whakamōli e palemia Sir Toke Tālangi e tau talawanga nei moi kua talia e RNZ. Kua tohia he palemia moi whalu a tau iki pule halo tolu a tau hingoa ki loto he tau whakamawanga he tau whainga hua maua tupe nei ka kano whakalo lahi koi mamaanga halo tolu ke le veki ke tau whainga hua nei mai whakatuwhono. Si nākai koi whakatuwai e sivianga tupe he matako sivi tupe mai kautaha state-owned enterprises pesini koi palemia taha ne le veki atu ki ai. Kua pehe mai e tā wala he walatala ne kua whakapuloa ke tau kupanga hila I ni awhi, nā kai mōli moi nā kai whai kakano e tau whailoanga he eke pule ne kua matutagi atu ki alau tolu, moi kua ole whakamole ke matua palemia, moi hana mga whawa katoa, ha koe le kua nei. Radio New Zealand has apologised to the Premier Sir Toke Tālangi for broadcasting and publishing a story that New Zealand's government was investigating allegations in relation to the shareholdings of the Premier and Niue state-owned enterprises.
The story, titled New Zealand Investigates Niue Premier Shareholding in SOEs, was published and broadcast by Radio New Zealand on November 27, 2018. Yesterday, Radio New Zealand posted an official apology on its website, stating that since the article's publication, RNZ has learned that New Zealand's government is not carrying out an investigation into Sir Toke's shareholdings in Niue's state-owned enterprises. It also stated that the opposition MP, Olaf Jacobson's allegation of illegality and unlawfulness have been found to be baseless. In particular, the Premier has confirmed, and Radio New Zealand accepts, that the Premier and the other shareholding ministers all entered into declarations of trust for all their shareholdings in Niue's state-owned enterprises at the time they acquired those shareholdings, expressly declaring that they were held on trust for the government of Niue. The delays in completion of the audits of the state-owned enterprises were not because of the Premier being the shareholder in those SOEs. Radio New Zealand says it regrets those serious errors and offers a sincere and unreserved apology to Sir Toke and his family. Following the story by Radio New Zealand, BCN News had established there was no investigations after contacting New Zealand's Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade. We also spoke to the Premier about the allegations and opposition member Olaf Jacobson. Sofia Koruitanoa, BCN News.
Tokolunga nu mela tangata ne kua mamase ke he uawhi hongpuma ua, ke he uawhi hongpuma ono, ha koe ngangau suka. Ne whangamoli he pepa totau nu mela ke tau uawhi hongpuma ua, ke he uawhi hongpuma ono, moi he whai totau nu mela, ke lata moi hokotaki to whiwhine whanau, moi tau tangata mamase. Moi he uawhi hongpuma ua, ke he uawhi hongpuma ono, tāsia tulungu whumataha e moke ne kua whanau, moi whangu whumahiwa e tangata ne kua mamase. Moi he hokotaki e walisi, o whunuma ono moke whanau fōau, moi hongfulu tangata mamase he tau. Kua malikisi hake inumela tangata haniwe ke he tā pasene, ka eke kua nā kaitoto a lautolu ne kua o kehe mai he motu. Whatatau ke he tau uawhi hongpuna taha, po ini 7.5 pasene ni e malikisi he puke tangata he motu. Diabetes has been the leading cause of deaths for Niueans in the years 2012 to 2016. This was revealed in the Vital Statistics Analytical Report on the births and deaths of the population for 2012 to 2016.
From 2012 to 2016, Niue had a total of 131 births and 49 deaths. The leading causes of deaths for Niueans were heart disease from 1997 to 2011. The most recent combined years, 2012 to 2016, recorded the leading cause for the population to be diabetes, with 20.4% of deaths attributed to diabetes. However, when disaggregated into age groups and sex for the past 20 years in the period 1996 to 2016, the leading cause of deaths in males aged 15 to 59 are external causes, such as accidents and injuries, most of which were due to intentional self-harm. The report says even though the number covers 20 years, based on the population size, this represents a significant public health issue. Some female deaths in the 15 to 59 age groups were also recorded as due to external causes, although cancer has increased in the rankings as a cause of death for this age group. Sofia Koritanoa, BCN News.
Kua hoko mai e ki whanga moi talahaua ne kua tohi he tau tangata Niue ne whakaingoa koe Meet the Whakatalis, whakakuku Meet the Whakas. Koe ki whanga tohi ke he wangahau Niue, ha koe manako halau tolu ke whakaoho e atu hau ke tūmau e whakaonga e wangahau Niue.
Tālaha mau tolu hangawia ke he koau, koe matua whiwhine he ki whanga mui, so koe hako ingoa ko mama whakatali, koe hako tamawhiwhine, e whinatu ki he motu ko New Zealand, ke lātai me tau whakakoanga. Si maua ia e ka pisinga, koe tamatāne mai he motu ko initia. Si koe halaua whenonga mai ke motu ko Niue, mai lali e tamatāne initia nei ke mahani, po ke whakamahani ke he tau anga me tau mahani whakaniue. Kai nākai tūtūmita ki ha maua whakawhituianga, he tau ngaho whakapā, kai ka koe halaua whenonga mai ke motu, hangauia ki he hako aho whanau. Si koe matapatu he tāla aia, koe tau anga me tau mahani, whakaniusela pia whoki me tau anga me mahani ha tau tolu he motu. Si lali mautolu ke o moi, mo e whakaonga e wangahau Niue, si pia whoki ke he tau leo lolongo, mo e tau whakatutālanga mautolu. Ke tu mau e wangahau Niue, koe tapunua ia ke ha mautolu ki whangamui nei.
Ke tau ua whi hongfu mawhitu, ne maua he ki whangamui Meet the Whakas, ua e whakamailanga he whakaholoanga Auckland Theatre Awards i New Zealand ki he fufuta Outstanding Newcomer moi Best Show.
Lai maha ke whiawhia me matalahi ako mai ke mautolu, he matakau whakawhiliweianga ha whakatali ki whangamui ha mautolu ki tamai ai e tāla nei ke whakakese ai mo e whakatātā me whakapuloi ke he hadau tolu a tamatakai ne nofo ke he hadau tolu a mutumoli ko Niue. Si tohi ai he hadau tolu a tamawhine ko Marie Webster e tāla nei mo e producer e tamawhuata ko Leki Jackson Burke. Lai mahaki e whiawhia ha koe hadau tolu a tamatakai Niue, mo e halau tolu a makai, mo e matalahi ha koe mai ki ai ke o mai ke whiawhia o loa mo e whekisi ake tau mata ke he moe mamata loa ke he hamautolo ki whangamui nei. Si amamanaki whoki ke tumau e asi hake anga he hadautolo atau ki whangamui pehe nei, mua atu ke he performing arts, ke he hadautolo atau whanau mua atu ke tau whuata he motu ko Niue.
Koe ki whangamui Meet the Whakas, kua whakahoko ki tua sea ha kupu, he awhi aho ua, mo e ke whale tautaonga I halamahanga, ke he awhi I ni awhi. Niuean language and culture were on display in the comedy drama Meet the Whakas. The award-winning bilingual comedy drama attracted a large audience at Taonga Niue last night.
The show was about a young girl from Niue that gets sent to New Zealand on a scholarship, but she fails her studies because she falls in love with an Indian guy. Then she brings the Indian guy home to meet her mom and her family, but the family don't like Indian people. So it's a story about the two different cultures coming together and their differences, but also what makes us human beings and what our similarities are. So it's about the two cultures clashing but coming together at the end to celebrate their love.
Meet the Fockers have already won 2 awards at the 2017 Auckland Theatre Awards for Outstanding Newcomer and Best Show.
There's lots of controversial issues in the play. It's a very funny play, it's a comedy, but we also use it to address some of the things that are wrong in our community that we have to talk about. Sometimes you can't talk about those things in the community, so you have to do it through art, because our art is what helps us to digest the truth, and sometimes we can't handle the truth in our raw form. So I really hope that Niue people come to support the show, to see themselves on stage, to hear the songs, to see their dancers, and just to be proud of our young people and the stuff that our young people are doing.
The play is written and directed by Marie Webster. The cast performed at Hakupu on Tuesday night and Taonga last night. Kua whakawhano mai e lilifu Sir Toke Tālangi, hana do manatu monuina ki he motu katoa ke lata mo i mga hala kirisimasi mo i tau whau ne hangau atu ki ai. Hei anga ia e lilifu Palemia ki New Zealand hakoi kumi langmatai atu ke tau eke kafo mai hana hui. In the spirit of the festive season, Premier Sir Toke Tālangi has given his Christmas greetings. Sir Tālangi is currently in New Zealand, recovering from medical treatment on his leg.
Well, I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all, especially the old folks who normally listen to my radio program. Unfortunately, I've got an infected leg. I can't come home for some time. It's stupid.
Whaosena ia hatou tola tau walatala tutupu ke lata mo i pulipone mo i tau uawhi hongfulumawalu. Ato liu ke whelewia he tau whahau aho uafulumatahe mahina Yanuali nonohua mo i monuina. That ends our top stories for this evening. Thank you so much for joining us this year 2018 as that ends our news for the year. On behalf of BCN and the whole crew here, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.